Hello everyone, my name is Naisha Soni. I study in class 3rd. Recently, I learned about density and it made me curious. How can I measure the density of something very tiny like grain of cooked rice? The problem here is that with the equipment available at my home, this is not possible to accurately measure its weight and volume. So I kept thinking and thinking day and night, and finally I came up with a fun scientific idea to solve this mathematical problem. Here is what I did. I prepared 8 glasses of salt solution. Each glass contained 200 ml of water but different amount of salt added. Glass 1 has no salt, so its density is 1 gram per ml. Glass 2 has 10 gram salt, so its density is 1.05 gram per ml. Glass 3 has 20 gram salt, so its density is 1.1 gram per ml. And so on. Finally, glass 8 has 70 gram salt, so its density is 1.35 gram per ml. Now let's see what happened when I put the rice grain into each glass. As you can see, the rice grain sank in glasses 1, 2, 3 and floated in the subsequent glasses. Hence, its density is somewhere between 1.1 and 1.15 gram per ml. Let's try the same experiment with chickpea, that is chole. As you can see, the chickpea grain sank in glasses 1, 2, 3, 4 and floated in the subsequent glasses. Hence, its density is somewhere between 1.15 and 1.2 gram per ml. Now let's understand the science behind this. This is the plain water under a microscope. As we keep adding the salt, its particles fit into the space between water molecules, thereby increasing the density of the solution. Whether an object float or sink in a liquid depends upon its density. If density of the object is less than liquid, it will float. But if the density of the object is greater than liquid, it will sink.